Take the guesswork out of funding. Research-backed online lender comparison. In the last few years, a number of online lenders have emerged. They are often excellent choices for convenience, decision and funding speed, industries which can't get funding elsewhere, and business owners with less than stellar personal credit. But which are best for your personal circumstances? And finally, let's look at the best online lenders for working capital financing with Foundation. This lender provides business term loans and lines of credit. $20,000 to $500,000 is available. Their requirements are 12 or more months in business, $100,000 or more in revenue per year, 600 or better personal credit score, and you must have 3 or more full-time employees, including the applicant. And you cannot live or operate businesses in North Dakota, South Dakota, or Nevada. Find them online at https://foundation.com. Let's recap. Online lenders offer a myriad of benefits. Choose what works best for you. Speed, low FICO scores, short time in business, or low annual revenues welcome. High amounts on offer, early prepayment discounts, multiple financing options, convenient ways to pay, peer-to-peer lending, or working capital financing. Contact us today to learn more about taking the guesswork out of funding with our research-backed online lender comparison.